Today we're going to review some of the pros and cons we see around freehold versus condo townhouses. First off, let's go through the two types so you know the difference between a condo townhouse and a freehold townhouse. With a condo townhouse, you own the individual unit that you live in, but not the exterior. The outside of your unit and common areas are owned by the condo residents collectively and maintained through monthly maintenance fees or condo fees. On the other hand, a freehold townhouse is similar to a detached home in that you own the physical house and the property it sits on. You are therefore responsible for all improvements, repairs, and maintenance inside and out. Freehold townhouses are typically attached to each other on one side or both. Now, for the condo townhouse and freehold townhouse pros and cons. To start, let's go over the pros of a condo townhouse. Your condo fees will cover tasks such as general upkeep, including lawn cutting and snow shoveling, as well as significant expenses such as replacing faulty windows or a damaged roof. The cost of buying a condo townhouse is typically lower than a freehold. The third potential pro is that some condo townhouses offer shared amenities such as pools and gyms, which you may not otherwise be able to afford. Alternatively, the cons of a condo townhouse are that you can't control how the outside of your condo or common areas look, the amount of your monthly condo fees. Now that you're familiar with the pros and the cons of a condo townhouse, here are the freehold townhouse pros and cons. Some of the pros of a freehold townhouse are: while they're typically attached to other houses on one side or both, you still have the freedom to make your house your own. You can renovate the home as you see fit without adhering to guidelines or seeking permission. It doesn't carry monthly maintenance fees. And finally, some of the cons are: you are responsible for all improvements, repairs, and maintenance inside and out. You have no control over how your neighbors care and maintain their property, which may not be the same as your standards. Finally, there is generally more demand for a freehold than a condo townhouse, which means prices tend to be higher. Now you know all about the pros and the cons around these two townhouse types. If you have any other mortgage-related questions or you're ready to start your home ownership journey, visit us at nesto.ca or call us now to speak with an advisor.